In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a hollow object in Fusion 360 using one of the most powerful tools in the software. Creating hollow parts, often referred to as shelling, is a fundamental skill whether you are designing cases, enclosures, or 3D printed objects that need to save on material. This method ensures your model has consistent wall thickness across all surfaces, which is critical for both structural integrity and professional manufacturing standards. If you find this guide helpful while you're following along, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our weekly TIAD tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right into the workspace and get started. The first thing you need to do is open your specific model in Autodesk Fusion 360. Whether you have a simple cube or a complex organic shape, the process remains relatively similar. Once your model is visible on the canvas, navigate your cursor to the top toolbar. You want to look for the Modify menu located in the Solid tab. Clicking on Modify will open a drop-down list of various transformation tools. From this list, select the Shell command. This is the specific tool designed to hollow out solid bodies. After selecting Shell, you will notice the Shell dialog box appears on the right side of your screen. Now you have a very important decision to make regarding the faces of your model. If you want the object to be completely enclosed but hollow on the inside, you would select the entire body from the browser. However, in most cases, you likely want one side to be open. To achieve this, simply click on the specific face or faces you want to remove. For example, if you are making a cup or a box, you would click the top face. Once you have made your selection, the next step is to define the insides. You will see a field for inside thickness. Enter the exact wall thickness you want for the hollow object here. You can type this in millimeters, inches, or whatever units your project is set to. As you type the number, you will see a real-time preview of the hollowed out shape appearing on your screen. If the wall looks too thin or too thick, you can adjust the value until it perfectly matches your design requirements. After you are satisfied with the preview, go ahead and click OK in the dialog box. Fusion 360 will process the command, and your solid body will instantly become a hollowed shell with the specified wall thickness. It is a very clean and efficient way to modify geometry without having to manually sketch offset lines. Remember that if you ever need to change the thickness later, you can always go down to the design timeline at the bottom of the screen, right-click on the shell feature and select Edit feature. This allows you to stay flexible throughout your design process, and that is really all there is to it. You have successfully learned how to hollow out an object using the Shell tool. If this video helped you understand Fusion 360 a bit better today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.